Hey everyone, welcome to Illegal Alien Racing. You are riding on board with Mr. Kart Rage himself for the Rental Kart League final race. He is starting in the back. Here's what happened in the pre-final race between him and Mullet Man.
Then go. Stop talking. Jesus. Dude, you better get your fucking ass whooped. You better get your ass whooped.
What do you do?
Hitting everybody. Coming up there, pushing and hitting everybody. He already almost hit the flagger.
Did he spin you out?
Yeah.
What do you think about that, Justin?
I think that is great. This makes my Friday night.
So what do you think about Kart Rage getting mad?
As always.
I'm doing. Alright, Kart Rage is 32. So he's right. We took him out.
I didn't take him out.
You took him
I
out?
didn't take him out.
It looked like it to me.
I didn't take him out.
It's never your fault, man.
I didn't take him out.
It's never your fault. You should just say, you know what, I took him out.
I didn't
Sorry.
take him out.
Looked like it to me.
Oh well, we'll let them decide.
Alright, so green flag. You could see they got into a little bit of a situation there and they were warned to cool it or they will be penalized or even worse, banned from Rental Kart League racing in the future out at Dallas Karting Complex. So I have not closely watched this video, just kind of skimmed through it, so we're kind of watching it together for the first time at the same time. A little early there on his entry, and he definitely, pays for it there. Kart in front of him pulls away. You see a white helmet to the right with the flashing GoPro. That is Tommy. Definitely in a underpowered kart, looks like. Gracefully moves out of the way for everyone else, which I would not have done. I would have been a big nuisance to everyone by protecting my line to the inside. Alright, let's see what Kart Rage does here. Alright, looks to the inside here. No contact. Hasn't cleared him yet. Does give him space to the outside, then moves over to the left to give him room not to run him into the grass. And they're going to have a drag race down the straight. Looks like they have fairly equal karts. So let's see what happens. He's got a little stronger kart, looks like. But he hasn't cleared him yet. Very nice by Kart Rage. And he has cleared him. Very nice for Kart Rage not to swing out wide and open up the over-under. I'm not going to put what position he's in because it'll take me forever to figure that out, and I just don't want to do that. But he is towards the back, as you can tell. Now, if you're wondering if you should buy karting shoes to race in league racing, as soon as we get out of this dark area, which I may lighten up a little bit, in editing, don't know yet. If you look to the right and to the left, you don't have to wear karting shoes to race karts. Kart Rage wears boots. Which I would say are probably the worst thing to wear. Well, actually, for safety reasons, not the worst thing to wear, but I probably wouldn't wear. I never wear them. I have a pair of boots. I don't wear them for karting. And you see the wristband, the blue and white wristband on the left-hand wrist of Kart Rage. That is good for 50% off for a chicken fried steak at the local diner, and or $5 off door entry at the local honky tonk within a 5-mile radius. So if you get one of those wristbands, don't throw it away when you're done racing, because you can use it for a lot more. Actually, I'm joking. I made all that up if you haven't picked up on that. Trying to fill in the time here as Kart Rage tries to catch orange helmet in front of him. Which from, don't tune out just yet, from skimming earlier when I first looked at this when I got home, I think he does catch him actually. So hang out with us a little bit more. Let's have some fun with Mr. Kart Rage. He's moving his hands around on the steering wheel a lot. All right, they're fighting up ahead, so should give Kart Rage a chance to catch up. There we go. All right, he's in a fight with 21 here. Let's see what happens. A little inside. I would have probably been a little further to the right on entry to get a better entry into turn 1. Makes a pass there. He's probably in around 12th spot here, I would guess. I think that is me up ahead of that big group there, if I remember correctly. Holding up traffic. Alright, he takes a normal line through here. There's a hand signal, I'm not sure what his hand signal was. So far he's driving a pretty good race. Looks like he's kind of chilled out a little bit after taking out Mullet Man in turn 3 of the pre-final opening lap. He denies that he did it, but he did it. They've got a little bump back there, so the Kart Rage meter may start to climb. Let me know if y'all want to see a Kart Rage meter on the top left in the future. Some kind of hand signal, not sure what that means. I used to mic up Kart Rage. I did it a couple of times. It's actually pretty entertaining. I need to probably do it again and spend the time to mic him up. All right, working on 27. Let's see what he has. Probably should stay behind him and try to catch up to that group right there, but he looks to the inside just as I say that. A little bump from the back. Actually, it looks like Kart Rage probably won out on that decision because he got a spot and he caught up to the group. Kart 4 is a fast kart. Don't know what it's doing. Actually, yeah, that's me right up ahead, pointing at that driver. And Kart 14 is a fast kart. Yeah, if you watch my final race, 14 and 4 are really fast karts. That is me at the front of this line here. Oh, Kart Rage getting 2 for 1. He's going to go fight right back. Not his spot there. Ends up losing 2 spots there. Try to fight back, but lost some time there. Everybody's tapping the top of their helmets, asking for a push. Guys, it's actually the back of your helmet. But the message is received. You want to push, so that's fine. So they're going back and forth over unders there, not really helping each other out. Nice on 27, give him room right there last second. Very nice. These guys, you should all line up and catch us up ahead, because I'm driving defensively against 2 faster karts. So you guys can join the party and start picking them off. It would definitely help me out. Get in behind him, Kart Rage. Stay behind 21. You see someone to the outside, and he goes down to the bottom there. Slides out really wide. Guy goes right back underneath him, and he loses another spot. Now he's going to have to check up here. Actually, no. Loses, yeah, the little spots. Not a good move here. Uh-oh, here we go. Oh, Kart Rage, no. Oh, God. Why do people do that move down there? 3 wide to the bottom. You just, yes, it's the racetrack, but it's not a good situation to be in. Kart Rage does maintain speed to the outside and gets a spot back and looking. Now he's telling this guy, let's line up. Well, maybe you should line up with him first. Like right here, he did a bump and run on me one time and then asked me for a push. It's like, come on, dude. I'm not going to help you out. I like Kart Rage. I just like to talk a little smack here and there. But believe me, he gives it right back to me. I just don't ever put that stuff on video. So it's not like he's an innocent party here. All right, 27 in the yellow helmet's doing a good job. Kart Rage takes advantage there. 27's doing a good job of racing clean and staying within the rules, not like skating back and forth around the track where he's not supposed to be, as far as left and right. Just follow him in, Kart Rage. He's a little too... Oh, someone comes down to the bottom on him. Kills his momentum. Orange helmet. I think that is Alex. Get in behind him, Kart Rage. Looks like he gets a little bump there. Gets into his left rear. Alright, let's see what happens here. Uh-oh. 3 wide. Alright, I bet she's going to go to the inside right here. Let's see if he opens the door. Almost, but he wasn't quite there. That orange helmet really easy to see in the dark part of the course. Kart Rage mad about something. Don't worry, man, you got that wristband at 50% off chicken fried steak, man. If y'all haven't had chicken fried steak, it's really good. It's just really bad for you, but man, I wouldn't eat it like every meal, but man, if you want to kind of indulge, chicken fried steak's the way to go. Of course, you have to have mashed potatoes and gravy. Some people like okra. I'll eat a little bit, but I'm not really an okra guy. I think you have to finish it off with a Dr. Pepper. All right, just a few more laps. Come on, Kart Rage. Let's give the audience what they want to see. And that is you making some magnificent passes. Last lap, okay. Oh, man. Why did you do that? Bad move. Wasn't there. You should have hung out and chilled. Now look. He lost a spot. Yep, cost himself a spot. That move was not there. Don't know why he did it. Nothing good's going to come out of that. You're not going to make that move, and if anything, you're going to spin that guy out in front of you. So you're not making any friends that way. And he lost a spot because of it. Sometimes the lesson here is sometimes you just have to stay with where you are on the track and not try to make a situation appear that's not there, and you end up in a worse situation or in a worse result at the end. All right, hope you enjoyed the ride with Kart Rage. Thank you for watching, as always, and I will see you on the next one. Y'all take it easy.